The equation of a curve is ln xy minus y cube equal to 1. Show that dy by dx equal to this. First, given equation is ln xy minus y cube equal to 1. Now, to get dy by dx, I have to take differentiation on both sides. Clear? Instead, while writing, what I realized is, if possible, simplify the equation and then you apply differentiation, it will be very easy. Okay. While writing this, I have seen the chance of simplifying it. And what is that chance of simplifying means? See. Onto this, I can make use of the formula ln A plus ln B is equal to ln A into B. So here it is A into B. So this can be simplified to ln x, ln A which is x plus ln B which is y minus y cube equal to 1. Clear? I have simplified. Now I will apply differentiation on both sides. So take d by dx on both sides. Now apply this onto this one and this one. So d by dx of ln x plus d by dx of ln y minus d by dx of y cube. And here differentiation of a constant is 0. Okay. Now what is differentiation of ln x? D by dx of ln x is 1 by x. So this will become 1 by x. And the good practice is to the answer write d by dx of the letter. No doubt it cancel out, but still you write, because over here it doesn't get cancelled out. So here also d by dx of ln x is 1 by x into d by dx of the letter present. Sometimes it cancelled out, sometimes it doesn't. So good practice is write every time to the differentiation into d by dx of the letter. Now here make use of the formula d by dx of x power n x power n minus 1. So in place of n I have 3. So 3 into y power 3 minus 1 is 2 into the good practice d by dx of the letter y. Clear with the step? Next. So here it is 1 by x and here it is 1 by y dy by dx minus 3y square dy by dx equal to 0. Now I have to get dy by dx. That means I should make dy by dx the subject. For that what I do is I put dy by dx here and whatever is attached I will get rid of that. What I mean is, see, this is dy by dx, this is dy by dx. Attached is plus 1 by x. Get rid of this. And how do I do that? Subtract 1 by x on both sides such that this cancel out. And also from these two take dy by dx common. So what do I get? Here 1 by y and here minus 3y square equal to minus 1 by x. Clear? So now to get dy by dx, you need to divide by 1 by y minus 3y square on both sides. Such that this cancel out. So dy by dx equal to this minus 1 by x by 1 by y minus 3y square. What answer we should get is simplified form of that. So let us simplify. And how do we simplify is, take the LCM here. So over here LCM of y and 1 will be y. So here y, so I don't need to multiply with anything. Here 1 should become y means multiply with y. So I get minus 3y cube. So this is minus 1 by x. This fraction, when I am taking it up, it will become upside down. Division you are making, it's like this. A by b by c by d will become a by b. When this c by d is coming up, it will become d by c. Okay, same here. So minus 1 by x into y by 1 minus 3y cube. So that is nothing but minus y by x times 1 minus 3y cube. Next. Still we didn't get. Still we should get rid of minus. For that, take minus common in the denominator. When I take minus common, this will interchange. So 3y square minus 1. So minus minus cancel out. This is what we had to get and I got it. Clear? I have simplified the given equation. That is why I got the answer easily. Had I not simplified, it would have become too lengthy. It would have been easily come to 2 pages. So if there is a chance, simplify the given equation and then you apply differentiation. Clear? Always remember this. If there is a chance, simplify and then only differentiate.